Hello, Steffi dancers. I hope everyone is keeping busy at home and staying positive and healthy. All right, so today we're going to do a Shuffle Shim Sham. So we're just going to learn the first part of this. So you're just going to need a little bit of space and need to know how to do a shuffle and a ball change. Now, a shuffle is where you shuffle out to the front and back up, right? We're going to brush out and brush in. Brush out and brush in. Brush out and brush in, right? So that's the shuffle. And we're also going to do a little ball change where we just change our weight to the back and then back to the front. Ball change, right? On the other foot, put the other foot back and we do ball change, ball change. The first sound of a ball change is on the back foot. Ball change. All right, now we're going to put some of those steps together all to make a Shuffle Shim Sham. We're going to start doing a shuffle to the front and a step and switch to the other side. A shuffle to the front and step, switch to the other side. A shuffle to the front, a ball change to the back, a shuffle to the front, and a step. And that's our whole pattern. All right, I'm going to do it facing away so that you can follow along. We're going to start on our right foot. Remember, the pattern is shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Here we go. Starting on the right foot, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Yeah, let's try it on the left side. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. All right, one more time to the front, and we'll do both the right and the left. All right, so starting with your right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and we go. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Other side. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Good job. All right, before I say goodbye, I want to test your tap trivia. Does anyone know of the one-legged tap dancer? I'll give you a few more seconds to think. The one-legged tap dancer. That's right. It's Peg Leg Bates. All right? And a great video to look up is when he's appeared on Ed Sullivan. It's really, really a good performance, and he's very talented. So I suggest that you check it out. All right. Have a nice week. See you next time.